Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Raytheon secures $5 billion US Army deal to deliver Coyote counter-drone missile systems. The US Department of War announced on Monday that Raytheon has been awarded a $5.04 billion contract to supply the US Army with its Coyote missile system, a counter-drone weapon designed to intercept and destroy unmanned aerial threats, including drone swarms. According to the Department of War, Raytheon was awarded a cost-plus fixed-fee contract for the Coyote missile system fixed, mobile Coyote missile launchers, kinetic and non-kinetic interceptors, and Ku-band radio frequency system radars. The Coyote system is a small, rail-launched missile equipped with a boost rocket motor and turbine engine, enabling it to engage high-speed targets over extended ranges and altitudes. Designed to counter unmanned aircraft systems and support launched effects missions, the system has become a central element of the U.S. military's counter-drone arsenal. Raytheon describes the Coyote effector as combat-proven, highlighting its versatility and affordability. Small and expendable, the missiles can defeat threats ranging from single drones to coordinated swarms, maintaining rapid engagement timelines to neutralize multiple targets simultaneously. The system is available in kinetic and non-kinetic variants, allowing operators to select methods depending on mission requirements. Kinetic versions intercept targets through direct impact, while non-kinetic options use electronic effects or other means to disrupt or disable hostile drones without contact. The Coyote system has already been deployed in operational environments as part of broader U.S. efforts to build integrated defenses against drones. Its ability to reach longer ranges and higher altitudes than many comparable systems provides commanders with greater flexibility and protection against evolving aerial threats. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.